Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your My Creation section on the Vidnoz website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website and then we have to log in our account. And after that, we have to go to our section, which is called My Creation. So let's click on the My Creation option in the Vidnoz website. And after clicking on this, you will be able to see your all created files, created everything that you have worked on, that you have created in the My Creation section. So as you can see, after clicking on this, my creation, as you can see, you will be able to see I have used this one, I have created this file, I have created this file and this file as well. If you want to continue this, if you want to edit this, you can also do that. Like as you can see, these are the drafts. So I haven't finished them, I haven't completed them, but this one is finished. This is ready to export, this is ready to download. You can use that. If you want to create a new folder, you can also do that. You have to click on this and then you have to provide the name. For example, I'm going to write the random here and then let's click on the create. And after clicking on the create, your folder will be created. And after that, if you want to check out your trace, you can also do that. If you have deleted any kind of thing, you will found that in your trace section. So I'm going to back again. Let's go to the my creation again. And as you can see, so in this way you can manage your my creation section. As you can see, if you click on these three dots, you will be able to see the options like the edit, rename, duplicate. You can manage these all options here. You can download this. So in this way you can manage your my creation option. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.